250 years ago, a group of men signed a document that changed the world forever. They risked everything for one thing: freedom. This July 4th, you can start building your own. Find the motivated sellers others never see. Hear live seller calls, real conversations, real deals. Have every form and agreement ready before you ever sit down with a seller. Learn exactly how to structure any deal that comes across your desk. Walk through real houses and see how investors make money on properties most people would never touch. Set your business up the right way from day one and protect everything you build. 4 days with Ron Legrand, America's most trusted real estate educator for over 44 years. Jacksonville, Florida, July 21st through the 24th. Or join us live on simulcast. In honor of 250 years of American independence, your investment is $1,776. This price ends July 19th. After that, it's gone. This is your declaration. Sign it.